Hello everyone, let's talk about dermatosurgery, the surgical site of dermatology that is not known to many people. In dermatosurgery, we perform minor safe procedures here at a clinic by dermatologists that is usually done under local anesthesia. Some of the basic dermatosurgical procedures that we do here at a clinic are skin biopsy that is used to diagnose difficult skin condition, mole and wart removal that is done both for medical reasons as well as cosmetic reasons. Cyst excision, it is done by a minimal scarring techniques. Nail surgeries that is done for ingrown nails as well as infections. Scar revision that is done to give improvement to the old scars. Last is the hair transplant and vitiligo surgeries that are advanced form of dermatosurgical procedures. Next time you hear about dermatosurgery, remember it's not just about beauty, it's about precision, it's about confidence. If you want to learn more about any specific procedure, do visit us at Indian Skin Clinic.